The clash between lions and buffaloes is one of nature's most spectacular displays of strength. As apex predators, lions rely on their teamwork and ferocity, while buffaloes count on their massive size and collective defense. These encounters, often filled with tension and ferocity. Wherever you are, join Swag Wild Animal Life to decode the wild world through video. Lion and buffalo fighting power contest, who wins? Animal fight. The lion is a predatory animal of the cat family with the title of king of beasts. A symbol of strength and power in the animal world. Living mainly in the grasslands and savannas of Africa. Lions are formidable predators with incredible speed, strength, and tactics in particular. The male lion with a thick mane is a symbol of majestic majesty. The male lions at Plains Camp assert their dominance with loud roars. Fighting to assert their power over the male lion at Tumblr. Their lives are tense and full of competition. When a male lion meets another male in the pride, especially when a female is nearby, conflict is almost inevitable. Male lions charge at each other with ferocity and tremendous strength to assert power and gain the right to mate with the female. A male lion hunts and takes down a large giraffe, demonstrating his solitary hunting abilities. Although lions usually hunt in groups, strong males are capable of taking down large prey on their own. This demonstrates the strength, patience, and excellent hunting skills of male lions when they work alone. Although famous as the king of beasts, when facing these enemies, lions are always at a disadvantage. The African buffalo is a powerful and resilient herbivore that lives in the grasslands and forests of Africa. With its massive size, distinctive curved horns, and temperament, the buffalo is one of the most formidable animals on the continent. They live in large herds to protect each other from predators such as lions and crocodiles. The mother buffalo and her calf are in the center. The healthy buffalo lead, and the sick or injured buffalo are on the outside. This arrangement optimizes the herd's defense against predators. The buffalo is not only a symbol of strength but also plays an important role in the ecosystem. Helping to maintain the balance of the natural environment. Buffalo horns are a powerful defense weapon that helps them protect themselves in animal fights. When attacked, wild buffaloes use their horns to gore their enemies, causing serious injuries and repelling them. In fights within the herd, also play an important role in determining power and hierarchy within the herd. Approach their prey from the front to distract it. The herd from injury. Relying on the skill of hunting in a pack with close coordination and effective tactics. The lion took advantage of the opportunity of a lone female buffalo, 3 male lions joined forces to attack. They quickly took down the large prey, causing the buffalo to break its leg. At a watering hole on the African savanna, a herd of buffalo gathered to drink. Around them, a pride of hungry lions lurked. The big cats waited patiently, hoping to catch a weak prey when the buffaloes had their fill of water. After a while of fighting, the lions bit off one buffalo's tail. Demonstrating the fierceness and cruelty of hunting on the savanna, choosing the moment when the buffalo is alone. The male lion has no fear. It stalks and attacks a buffalo using its strength and agility. It leaps onto the buffalo's back, sinking its claws and fangs into the thick hide, eventually overpowering the buffalo. In the end, the buffalo loses its life under the lion's claws and fangs. But not every animal fight has the lion's advantage. The wild world is unpredictable, and the lion is in danger when the buffalo herd starts to counterattack. To protect their cubs, the buffalo herd took turns chasing the lions. They used their horns to attack and chase the lions away, not allowing the predators to approach the cubs. The unity and strength of the buffalo herd forced the lions to retreat. When a buffalo was attacked by a male lion, another buffalo head-butted its fellow buffalo to save it. The lion, momentarily stunned and now facing 2 enraged buffaloes. Despite its hunger, it abandoned the hunt and retreated into the grasslands, searching for easier prey. Kruger National Park in South Africa often witnesses incredible wildlife moments. An unfortunate buffalo was stalked by a hungry, ferocious lion. Luckily, help soon arrived. Another buffalo rushed to the rescue. The buffalo charged at the lion with incredible speed and power. Using its powerful horns, it grabbed the lion's hind legs and flipped it 5 meters into the air. The lion hit the ground and had no time to recover before the buffalo lifted it again with its massive head, sending the predator flying into nearby bushes. A buffalo fueled by rage gored a lion that was exhausted on the ground. When the buffalo tried to leave, the lion still tried to follow, hoping to turn the situation around. But the buffalo turned back and continued to gore the lion many times, putting its life in danger. A moment later, a herd of buffalo arrived. Another buffalo, equally furious, used its horns to strike the lion, ending the fight. This battle showed the strength and solidarity of the buffalo herd in protecting their own kind and fighting against enemies, marking the final ending for the lion pride and affirming the power of buffalo in animal fights. Wild buffalo's horns are their greatest weapon against lions. Thick, curved, and extremely hard, these horns are perfect for self-defense. Their strength and durability help buffaloes protect themselves and their herds in a fight. These powerful horns give buffaloes a higher chance of survival, showcasing their resilience and excellent defense ability. Lions usually dominate buffaloes, always winning, but this time it did not. One buffalo, strong and brave, fought back fiercely, showing predators don't always win. These big cats, often gluttonous, aren't even when they're not hungry. High in the branches of a tree, a lioness clung desperately to the bark after a failed hunting attempt. Below, a herd of buffaloes surrounded it, their eyes never leaving the lion. Hours passed, and exhaustion set in. With a sudden slip, the lioness crashed to the ground. The buffaloes charged, their horns thrusting relentlessly, driven by a primal need to protect their own. With superior strength, the wild buffalo can weigh up to 1984 pounds. With strong muscles and the ability to fight fiercely, the buffalo horns also cause serious injuries to the opponent. And its coordination and self-defense skills are exceptional. Challenging a wild buffalo comes with a high risk of serious defeat. Leave your thoughts below in the comments section. Do not hesitate to ask us questions. Swag will answer your questions. Hope the above information is useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to support us to continue publishing more interesting videos in the future. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.
Thank you for watching till the end of the video. Was your experience here good? It would be fantastic for us to meet you here every day. Swag Wild Animal Life will continue to update every day the best interesting stories, dramatic battles in the wild animals world. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to see our newest videos. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.